The irony. People enter teaching for idealistic, mission-driven reasons, but often leave due to practical, systematic failures that make the profession unstable.
Welcome to Life Skills TTP. Today is Appreciation Day. Now we're going to talk about the teachers. The teachers are apparently having a hard time, and they're saying the students are unruly. And I'm going to give it to you from a psychology perspective. I'm going to go from top to the bottom. What ends up happening is economically, everybody is tight right now. So there is no money that was allocated to the schools. Most of you guys voted for all that prison stuff, money going into crime that they never saw, that they never cared about. And so a lot of the money that was supposed to go into the schools, and people try to say, well, what is the money? Money is resources. Resources means you got books, book bag, brand new stuff. Like kids want to come to school. They know that they're going to get the stuff. Well, they don't have any of that stuff. On top of that, they're not up to dress code, up to speed because of the poverty, because of the environment, because of their situation, which is created by the top. It's a trickle down effect. So it's gonna affect the number one place where they babysit. Well, what's the trade-off? Well, you know, for people that actually have money and stuff, they put their kids in private school, they know what's up. Or homeschool them or something like that. But for ones of us, like when I grew up, I had to work and stuff. Hey, they're going to school. We know school is just a form of like 8 hours of babysitting. Right? We know that. And whatever happens there, whatever experiments, whatever they're doing allegedly, you basically consent to because you don't want to pay somebody to actually watch them, take care of them, teach them, all of that. Right? So that's how that comes down. That's how that ends up being a problem for the teachers. And my pitch to the teachers is, why did you become a teacher in the first place? Because that type of job is a job of service. I think of John Wick now. is a type of job, it's a job of service. The reason it's designed that way is it gets the best possible people who really care about individuals to not only pursue that job, but keep that job throughout a certain decade or period of time in the school year. That's why it's designed like that. If you always want more money and you want to commercial and commodify it, well, then you're going to get teachers that don't care. You're going to get teachers who are doing fraud. You're going to get teachers who don't have the children's best interest at heart. So my pitch is to you, because we need you, is not quit, because they're gonna get a replacement, a commercial replacement. And then if you guys really don't want to work in the future, well, they're gonna go in there in the modules, and on the modules, they're gonna have an AI teacher. If you think I'm playing, Minority Report, AI, all the movies, what is it, 2026? I've said this before. But to have that technology for 20-something years and then act like they just throwing it out now, and you guys are, hey. Stop. And another thing with that is you have to understand there is different types of AI. All kinds. It is ridiculous. So know what you're talking about. But that is my pitch to them. Because they're setting this up to where they're going to go virtual. Hey, I don't see it the other way. If everybody, every single time it's time for you to sacrifice a little something, and y'all, that's what's going to end up happening. It's happened since the COVID-19. They've been taking stuff, and everybody's been saying, no, okay, no. You only have yourself to blame. So now when you look at it in context, you're like, we need people like you to stay because, like anything, stuff changes. And you want to be a part of that change. You want to be the person that said, you know what? My morals and integrity are more important than them stuff in my pockets. We have to push America forward. We need kids to want to learn, grow, explore, and be the next what? Oh, I haven't heard that in a long time, so we in trouble. So everybody's talking about they bouncing. Okay, then what we gonna do? I'm listening. What we gonna do? We need somebody to educate people. No, that really care, for real. Not this other stuff. Because that's the only reason why you hear all this complaining and stuff, because they come there, they don't know what they doing. Life Skills TTP. Appreciate y'all. Till next time.